Today we're going to talk about dividing a 401k as part of your divorce. So pulling money out of a 401k to finalize your divorce isn't something you just do on a whim. First, a judge has to sign off on a qualified domestic relations order. You'll hear this called a quadro, which confirms each spouse's right to a portion of the money. Next, you'll hire a quadro company or attorney to draft the paperwork. Most situations will require you to submit the draft to the plan administrator for pre-approval. The plan administrator will review it and request any necessary changes. After pre-approval, all parties need to sign the pre-approved quadro, including your spouse. A spouse may refuse to sign the order, but you can file a motion with the court to maneuver around this obstacle. Finally, a judge will approve the final quadro and file it with the court system. Your quadro company or your attorney will need to send an official copy to the plan administrator in order for you to receive the funds. If you delay in obtaining the quadro, you may lose valuable rights and run the risk of forfeiting all of the benefits awarded to you in your divorce. Your rights may be lost if your former spouse does any of the following before your quadro is submitted: retires, remarries, dies, quits or is fired, withdraws all the funds from the plan before retirement, takes out a loan against the 401k. If you are receiving a 401k distribution after a divorce, you have 4 basic options for getting your money. Number 1, this is our favorite, roll the assets over into your own retirement plan, such as a 401k or an IRA, by requesting a direct transfer. This allows you to avoid having to pay a 10% penalty or taxes on the money. Number 2, defer taking a distribution and leave the money in the 401k. Please be aware that the plan does not have to allow you to do this. Number 3, you can cash out your portion of the balance, which gives you the greatest access to the money, but it can be costly. In a divorce, you're allowed a one-time distribution that avoids the 10% penalty if you're under 59.5, but you still have to pay ordinary income tax. If you're over 59.5, you'll have no penalties for your withdrawals, but you'll still pay taxes. And the last choice is something called a Section 72T, which allows for equal periodic payments to be taken from a retirement account penalty-free. But there's a catch. The deal is the amount must be fixed, absolutely no changes, and the account owner must take payments for 5 years or until the owner has reached 59.5, whichever is longer. If any of the above criteria are not met, the 10% penalty plus additional interest may be due. I hope this helps you with moving your 401k. Thank you.